Good morning from the Pompey Observatory. My friend Bill from Minnesota donated this box, actually what's inside the box also, to the Rice Creek Observatory at the State University of New York in Oswego. Let's see what's in it. It's very well packaged. So far so good. Obviously it's not the original box. Alright, there we go. First layer. Second layer. And there we go. I promise I will take them out. Whoa. A heavy bag, very heavy bag. Meade instruments. I suspect this is the big tripod. Let's see if we can open it. This is the tripod leg spreader. And this is indeed the tripod. This is a very heavy tripod. Whoa. My guess is easily 20 to 30 pounds worth of tripod, big one. And then another heavy box. The Meade ETX-90 portable observatory. Let's see what is in this box. Very careful with the optics. Nothing else here. So this box gets demoted to the floor for a moment. And here's the ETX-90. Trying to see how it opens. Nope. Nope. Okay. The two sides open first. Okay, I'm stumped here. There we go. Nice. comes in a big, nice carry case. One more box gets delegated to the floor for now. And let's see what's in the case. Manual. It says new for 2014. Was Pluto still a planet then? Multiple eyepieces. 1, 2, and a compass. A laser pointer to the skies. AutoStar. I'm not sure if AutoStar is connected to the telescope or not, so I'm going to take out the telescope carefully just in case AutoStar is plugged into it or wired into it as opposed to plugged in. There's the telescope. Power adapter just fell out. Yeah, the AutoStar is plugged in, and taking it out is tricky. It's going to require a very small screwdriver, so don't worry about taking it out for now. And here's the telescope. Very nice indeed. It is a MCT. It's a Maksutov Cassegrain telescope as opposed to a Schmidt Cassegrain. The difference between the two is the front mirror, whether it is just a mirror or whether the front lens, whether it is just a piece of glass or whether there is any curvature in it. My very first telescope, the Celestron NexStar 4SE, was a Maksutov Cassegrain telescope, and I enjoyed it quite a bit. Like other Meades, it has two places to put the eyepiece. So it allows you to look down with the mirror. This is how you switch the mirror on and off. And look, this is the mirror switch. And this is the focus. Or you can have it directly in here. So very soon, as soon as we have good weather, and that's not today, the wind is howling outside and we just lost electricity, yet the clouds are supposed to break. So if there is a break in the clouds tonight, I will take a peek at the moon. It is just beyond crescent at this point, but this is what we have. Bill, thank you very much. I will show you first light as soon as we have first light. In the meantime, thank you all for joining us from the Pompey Observatory.